Understanding I Need to Hydrate, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase, I need to hydrate. This phrase is not just about drinking water. It's a window into English culture and language nuances. Stay with us to uncover its meaning and usage. First things first, let's break down the word hydrate. To hydrate means to provide water or moisture to something, particularly the body. When someone says, I need to hydrate, they're essentially saying they need to drink water or fluids. It's a more scientific and modern way of saying, I need to drink water. Understanding when to use this phrase is crucial. I need to hydrate is often used in situations related to health, fitness, or well-being. It's common to hear it in the gym or after exercise, during hot weather, when someone is feeling unwell or dehydrated. This phrase also reflects a cultural focus on health and wellness. In many English-speaking countries, staying hydrated is a big part of a healthy lifestyle. So, when you use, I need to hydrate, you're not just talking about drinking water. You're also aligning with a cultural value. There are several variations you might hear. Stay hydrated, a common advice or reminder. Keeping hydrated, often used to describe ongoing action, like during a workout. Hydration is important, a general statement about the importance of drinking fluids. And that's a wrap on, I need to hydrate. Remember, this phrase is more than just a simple statement about drinking water. It's a reflection of cultural values around health and a useful addition to your English vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay tuned for more insights into English language and culture. Until next time, keep learning and stay hydrated.